Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. In a previous video, we have started branch accounting and we get basic information related to branch. And I also explain how to prepare branch final accounts, means a trading account, P&L account, head office account and balance sheet. Now today we are going to start sum. Okay, so let's start the first sum of this chapter. Following is the trial balance of an independent branch as on 31st March 20. Here clearly told independent branch. Okay, कई branch है independent branch. Okay, and its trial balance is given. Look at the trial balance. There is a opening stock is given, purchase and sell, purchase return and sell return, office expense, indirect expenses, miscellaneous expenses, fixed asset, goods received from head office and head office account, commission and cash, and last debtors and creditors. Okay, so this information is available. Now other information, that is closing stock is given 12,000. It means it's a adjustment. Okay, adjustment આપેલો છે, closing stock 12,000 છે. From the above information, prepare final accounts of branch. Okay, here clearly told that what we have to prepare. We have to prepare final account of the branch. It means we have to prepare what? We have to prepare trading account. Okay, first of all, branch trading account we will prepare. Then branch profit and loss account. After that, we should prepare head office account and last balance sheet. Okay, so to prepare final accounts, we have to prepare these accounts, means trading, profit and loss, head office and balance sheet. Now there is a one more question, that is write journal entries in the book of head office. Okay, what we have to do? Journal entries પણ આપણે એટલે કે આમનોન journal entries પણ લખવાની છે in the books of head office to incorporate the branch trial balance in the books of head office. We will look out it later. Okay, first of all we start this final account of branch. Okay, સૌથી પહેલા આપણે start કરી દઈએ branch ના final account ને. So first of all, check the adjustment. Here only one adjustment is given. Okay, adjustment કેટલા આપેલો છે? There is only one adjustment is given, that is closing stock. Okay, there is only one adjustment, that is closing stock. When we solve many sums, means next video or after 3 or 4 video, there is a adjustment like depreciation on fixed asset. Okay, then any outstanding expenses. તો આ રીતના પણ અલગ અલગ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ આગળ આવશે આમ. ઓકે, અત્યારે ફક્ત એક જ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ આપેલો છે, એ છે ક્લોઝિંગ સ્ટોક. આગળ જતા બીજા બી એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ આવશે લાઈક ડેપ્રી, ઓકે, આઉટસ્ટેન્ડિંગ એક્સપેન્સ, પ્રીપેડ એક્સપેન્સ એક્સેટ્રા. So first of all we have to check out is if any adjustment is connected to this balance. Okay, suppose here depreciation is given, adjustment is like that, there is a depreciation 10% on fixed asset, so it is connected with fixed asset. Okay, તો અહીં આપણે શોર્ટમાં લખી દઈશું કે it was connected. આમાં ડેપ્રીનો પોઈન્ટ આપેલો છે, એટલે જ્યારે આપણે એન્ટ્રી આપીશું ત્યારે એને કન્સિડર કરીશું. there is a depre on fixed asset. So just I want to say that we have to check all the adjustment. If any adjustment is related to any balance, okay, check કરવાનું કોઈ adjustment કોઈ balance સાથે relate કરે છે કે નહીં. But there is no any adjustment which is related to balance. Okay, balance સાથે related એવો કોઈ adjustment દાખલામાં આપેલો નથી. Okay, so let's start to give entry one by one. Okay, તો આપણે એક પછી એક બધી આપણે entry start કરી દઈએ from the trial balance. Okay, we start entry from trial balance. First of all, in a question you can see that opening stock is given, that is 20,000. Okay, first of all what is given? Opening stock. We start from trial balance, we give all entry. Okay, opening stock, purchase and sell, purchase and sell return to their appropriate account. તો So first of all, opening stock 20,000 is given. So we know that where this entry will be given. Okay, opening stock, it will be transferred to branch trading account where debit side. Opening stock, okay, amount how much, that is 20,000. Okay, opening stock is given, it will be transferred to trading debit side. So one by one we give all entry. Now the next, look at the next entry. Next is a purchase and sell. Okay, 24 and 164 800. We know that this 24 is a purchase and 1,64,800 it's a sell amount. Okay, it's a sell and it's a purchase. But remember, whenever purchase and sell is available, check is there is a return. Like purchase के sell return check है नहीं. So look at here, purchase return, sales return also available. 5,000 and 8,000, and also we know that 5,000 and 8,000 which is purchase return, which is sell return. So remember, purchase is always debit and purchase return is always credit. So it's a purchase return. Okay, short માં લખી દઉં છું purchase return. And remember, sell has a always credit balance. Okay, sell ની કેવી balance હોય? Credit. So sell return always would be debit. Okay, it's a sell return. Clear? So a basic knowledge છે, તમને ખબર જ હોવી જોઈએ. Purchase always debit હોય અને sell always credit. So return હશે તે opposite હશે. Now purchase and purchase return, sell and sell return. Where should we give this entry? Okay, so એ બંને entry ક્યાં આવશે? It will be in trading account, branch trading account. So first of all, purchase debit side. Okay, purchase was given 24,000 less return, that is 8,000. So the final amount 60,000, and sell will be given trading credit side by sell minus return, and its amount sell 1,64,800 and sell return 5,000. 1,64,800 and 5,000. 164,800 and return 5. So final amount 159,800. Clear? Now next, that was office expense, indirect expense and miscellaneous expense. After that, fixed asset is given. So also we know that these all expenses, okay, office, indirect and miscellaneous, these all are transferred to which account? That is P&L account debit side. Okay, આ બધી entry ક્યાં આવશે? P&L માં debit side. 8,000, 6,000 and 800. Okay, this all entry will be given to P&L account. Okay, branch P&L account debit side. To office expense, to indirect expenses and miscellaneous expense. Amount 8,000, 6,000 and 800. Okay, now the next fixed asset is given. Okay, next was, that is a fixed asset, and we know that fixed asset, where we give entry of fixed asset, we give entry of fixed asset at the balance sheet asset side. Okay, fixed asset ની entry ક્યાં આવશે? Balance sheet માં આવશે. Okay, balance sheet માં asset side. Fixed asset. Okay, and the amount is that was 30,000. Now the next, there is a goods received from head office and head office account. Now it is important one. Goods received from head office and head office account. Here look at, there are two amount, 1 lakh and second is 45. Now the question is કે 1 lakh ને 45 છે, which is related to goods received from head office and which is related to head office account. આમાંથી કઈ amount એ goods received from head office આવશે અને કઈ head office account માં આવશે. Okay, so I told in a previous video that head office account, okay, it's a work as capital account. Okay, in a previous video I told you head office accounts, it's a one type of what, it's a capital account. Okay, head office no account એ કયા account છે, capital account જેમ જ કામ કરે છે, it work as a capital account. And we know that capital has always which balance, that is credit balance. Okay, remember this, capital has always credit balance, so indirectly head office has also which balance, that is credit balance. Okay, head office ni pan kai balance avse, that is credit balance. So here 1 lakh and 45 is a credit balance. Okay, 45 kai balance છે, it's a credit balance. So here 45 is head office balance. Okay, તો એ કોની balance કહેવાશે, head office ની balance કહેવાશે, head office account ની balance. And 1 lakh છે, it is goods received from head office. Okay, જે 1 લાખ છે એ શું કહેવાશે, head office પાસેથી જે goods receive થયું છે તે. And 45 is a head office account balance. Now let's give this entry, goods received from head office. So this entry will be given where, I told in a previous video. Okay, that is transfer to branch trading account. Goods received from head office, I told you it's a which type of a branch, independent branch, and independent branch can purchase goods himself and also he received good from head office. Okay, head office પાસેથી goods પણ મેળવે છે અને સાથે સાથે માર્કેટમાંથી પરચેસ પણ કરે છે. બંનેની એન્ટ્રી કા આવશે ટ્રેડિંગમાં ટ્રેડિંગમાં ડેબિટ સાઇડ. Now this 45,000, it's a head office account balance, that is credit balance. So where this entry will be given, it's a common point. જો capital ની balance આપેલી હોય, capital ની બાકી આપી હોય તો આપણે capital account માં લખીએ છીએ. The same way head office ની જે balance છે, credit balance આપેલી છે 45, okay, it will transfer to head office account. Okay, it's opening balance, opening balance, that is 45,000. Clear? So head office ni balance yaad rakjo, it work as what, it work as a capital account. એટલે એની જે balance trial balance માં આપેલી હશે એની opening balance કેવા છે, and it's always credit. Okay, always શું હશે, credit હશે, that is 45,000 credit side. Now the next was commission and cash. Okay, commission and cash, 5,000 and 1,000. Now here again question, which is related to commission and which amount related to cash. Okay, કઈ commission ની amount કહેવાશે ને કઈ cash ની amount કહેવાશે. So it's a very simple, you know that commission may be expense or may be income. Okay, commission બંને હોઈ શકે છે, expense પણ હોઈ શકે છે અને income પણ હોઈ શકે છે. Okay, બંને chances છે. But remember, cash is our asset and it always debit. Okay, it always એની કઈ balance હોય છે, debit હોય છે. So here is the simple 5,000, what is this, it's our cash balance. So indirectly 1,000 become commission. Okay, 5,000 a cash and 1,000 a commission. Now 5,000 is the cash, so we give this entry where, in a balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet માં શું કરીશું, asset side. And commission એની કઈ balance આવી, credit balance બની ગઈ, because cash તો debit જ હશે, તો commission જે બીજી amount છે commission ની હોવી જોઈએ, because here commission and cash is given, તો cash એ always debit હશે, right? So 5,000 is a debit balance of cash So 1000 would be commission and it's a credit, so it's our income. Okay, आपने શું બની ગઈ? Income બની ગઈ. So this entry will be given where P&L account credit side આપનું income બની ગઈ. So let's give this entry. First of all, balance sheet માં આપણે cash લખી દઈએ. Okay, we have a cash amount that is 5000 and the commission it's a become received commission. Okay, received because any credit balance આપેલી છે. Received commission that is 1000. Now next, debtors and creditors. Here many students made a mistake here, which is debtors and which is creditors. Okay, ઘણા સ્ટુડન્ટ અહીંયા મિસ્ટેક કરી બેસે છે કે આમાંથી debtors કયું અને creditors કયું. So remember, debtors are our asset. Okay, debtors are our assets, so always there is a debit balance of debtors, and the creditors are our liability, so always creditor has a credit balance. Okay, debtors આપની asset છે જેની always debit balance આવશે અને creditors એ આપના liability માં આવશે, so always એની credit balance આવશે. So indirectly here 40,000 debit balance છે, so it's our debtors and 20,000 are our creditors. Okay, debtor 40 and creditors 20, and both entry will be given where? In balance sheet. Okay, બંને entry કા આવશે? Balance sheet માં આવશે. Debtors asset side આવશે, that is 40,000, and creditor liability side આવશે, that is 20,000. Okay, so here we have completed all entry of trial balance. Okay, trial balance से हमने बड़ी entry आपी दी थी. Now check if there any adjustment. Okay, जो कोई adjustment हो तो इन्हीं पर entry आपी दी है. Yes, there is only one adjustment, that is closing stock. Okay, तो closing stock આપેલો છે, and remember it's a adjustment and every adjustment has a minimum કેટલી entry આવશે? 2 entry આવશે. There must be 2 entry. Okay, so closing stock ની 2 entry આવશે, and we know that closing stock ની 2 entry ક્યાં આવશે? Where should be 2 entry of closing stock? First of all, branch trading account credit side closing stock. Okay, amount 6,000, and the second, sorry, not a 6, 12,000. It's a 12,000, and second effect it will be given in balance sheet asset side. બીજી entry કા આવશે? Balance sheet માં આવશે asset side closing stock 12,000. Okay, so here we have completed all entry, means we have transferred the trial balance. Okay, we give all entry of this trial balance, and after that we give entry of closing stock also. Okay, closing stock ની પણ આપણે બે effect આપી દીધી છે. Now let's close the account one by one. Okay, બધા account close કરીએ. First of all, trading account. So let's credit side નો આપણે total કરીએ. It will be 1,71,800. So credit side total is high. 1,71,800. 1,71,800 minus 20, 16, 1 lakh. So difference is 35,800, and it is gross profit. Okay, तो ये શું કહેવાશે? gross profit કહેવાશે, and this profit would be transferred to which account? P&L account. cross entry. Okay, here debit. So in a branch profit and loss, it will be given credit side gross profit amount 35,800. Now let's close this profit and loss account. Credit side total it's a 36,800. 36,800 minus 8,000, 6,000 and 800. So difference is 22,000. Difference 22,000. It's called net profit. And remember, I told in a previous video, this net profit is transferred to which account? It will be transferred to head office account. Okay, જે પણ net profit આવ્યો છે એ ક્યાં ટ્રાન્સફર થશે? તો head office account માં ટ્રાન્સફર થશે. Okay, cross entry here debit, so here credit side by net profit amount 22,000. Now let's close this. So it will be 67,000. And I told it's a one type of which account? Capital account. Okay, so after close this, whatever we get, it's a closing balance of capital. Okay, account close करता जे मरे capital ની closing balance કહેવાશે. Okay, here a head office ની closing balance બની જશે. It's a closing balance, that is 67,000. Okay, આ શું કહેવાશે? Closing balance. Okay, and we know that I told you it's a capital account, one type of capital, and a capital ની closing balance we transfer to balance sheet. Okay, capital ની જે balance હોય આપણે balance sheet માં transfer કરીએ છીએ. તો same here, this head office account would be transferred to balance sheet liability side. Okay, તો head office ની જે પણ balance આવી છે તે આપણે balance sheet માં transfer કરીશું. Head office account 67,000. Okay, let's close this. Here 87,000 and here 30, 40, 85 and 12. Okay, here also total 87,000. Clear? So here our first question is completed. First question that we have to prepare final accounts of company. We have ready this, means we have complete that. Okay, first question શું હતો કે final accounts ready કરવાનો હતો, તો આપણે એ complete કરી દીધું છે. We have completed final account. Now there is a one more question. Okay, બીજો પણ એક question છે, that is write journal entries. આપણે શું લખવાની છે? Journal entries in the books of head office to incorporate the branch trial balance in the books of head office. In a previous video I showed these journal entries. Okay, मैं फक्त journal entries show करेली છે, but still I didn't explain you any journal entries. Okay, હજી સુધી તમને journal entries સમજાવી જ નથી. So next video I will explain the journal entries and then we complete this question. Okay, so here we just prepare final accounts of the branch and the journal entries. In our next video I explain the journal entry, then we start to write journal entries of this sum. Okay, તો અહીંયા આપણે final account જ કરવાના છે. next video માં હું journal entry પણ સમજાવીશ અને પછી આપણે journal entry કઈ રીતે લખાય તે આપણે દાખલામાં જોઈશું. And remember one thing, today means with this video I also give you some for practice. Okay, and in that sum the same question, that is prepare final account and also write journal entries. તો તમને હોમવર્કમાં જે દાખલા આવશે એમાં પણ આ બંને ક્વેશ્ચન હશે. ફાઇનલ અકાઉન્ટ પણ બનાવવાનું છે અને જર્નલ એન્ટ્રીઝ પણ શો કરવાની છે. બટ યુ હેવ ટુ જસ્ટ પ્રિપેર ફાઇનલ અકાઉન્ટ. ઓકે, બટ તમારે શું બનાવવાનું છે? ફક્ત ફાઇનલ અકાઉન્ટ બનાવવાનું છે. નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં હું જર્નલ એન્ટ્રીઝ સમજાવીશ. દેન યુ હેવ ટુ solve journal entries in that sum. Clear? So in a homework sum, you will given the same question, final accounts and also journal entries, but you have to prepare only final accounts. Okay, in the next video I explain journal entries, then you can complete the journal entries of homework sum. Okay, clear?